How to claim Amazon Prime student discount. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to Google Chrome and search Amazon.com student. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find different offers. Simply scroll down to try Prime student for free. First, you'll given 6-month trial for it. You need to sign in or create an account. After you created an account, you can simply send your student ID or anything related to student to verify your student. After it's verified, they're gonna send you a email. After that, you're good to go. This is how to claim Amazon Prime student discount. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.